This is Jim Cramer back with Old Dog New Blog with the Erkins. I've got Nicole, we've got Ross Kenneth, and I got one. A guy came up to me and said, listen, for $5, basically, I'll do anything. And I said, what are you talking about? He goes, well, you mean you haven't been to Fiverr? Fiverr?
Yeah, Jim, in the new dog world, Fiverr is a very common term. People have a lot of extra time on their hands and they want to make a couple extra bucks. So we're going to teach you about that today.
It's part of the gig economy. You can basically...
The what?
The gig economy. You can perform any task and receive $5 for it on this platform, on this website. And it was launched in 2009. It recently reached 2 million gigs. So this is wildly popular and people are just using it to pick up extra cash with the extra time they might have.
What will someone do that I want?
Yeah, well, you talk about Five Below in the dollar stores. I'd say this is the dollar stores of jobs. There's a lot of different tasks you can do. Pay $5, Fiverr keeps $1, and then you keep the rest.
Yeah, but like, what do I want someone to do? And why would I think it would be any good for 5 smackers?
Well, we're going to go through a couple of examples.
Okay.
One, for example, an 8-year-old girl sold enough of her drawings on Fiverr to buy an iPad. So there's some really, because if you do 20 of these gigs, you make 100, 200, you make $1,000.
Okay, I might be interested in that art.
Sometimes people just want to be amused, right?
Yeah, there's this professor puppet who's made something like $11,000 just by performing puppet shows. You know, people, it seems, have too much time on their hands. They want to be entertained as they surf the internet, and this is the perfect platform.
But someone told me they'd write a little article for $5. I mean, you're giving away your services. I mean, where's the professional pride here?
Yeah, well, I mean, it is everything from just amusement, like recording a message as a nun and dance at the end, or shout anything you want in a banana costume, to actually, I need to write a cover letter. Can you do it for $5? And so there is a range, but I think one thing that has been written about a lot is that people like not having to barter price-wise. It's $5, it's very simple. You can go, you can do it quickly, and take it or leave it.
Isn't there something bigger here? I mean, we've got Walmart not making the numbers. We have a lot of retailers not doing bad. We have unemployment that seems sticky. I mean, is this what you stooped, well, not stoop to, because people who are doing it, obviously, they don't think they're stooping to it, but I mean, is this the real economy now?
I think it dovetails with larger trends in the economy. You have TaskRabbit, which is a larger platform that allows you to hire people for, say, a moving day, or to help you lift something heavy.
TaskRabbit.
TaskRabbit. And it's basically an extrapolated form of Fiverr. You're not performing the mundane, but the necessary.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going there.
And maybe you can go and
I got
write
some
a couple
silly
of things
for somebody's birthday. I might want to have someone shout their banana, to get it. I like the show Breaking Bad. There was one moment where Jesse was wearing this ridiculous costume. I mean, if I could get that costume, get someone in it, I'm going to pay him $5.
You could do the Harlem Shake with the Street.com logo or something.
Whatever. I mean, to me, it just says that the economy's not as good as I think. How about that, Ross Kenneth, Nicole Erkin? Thank you so much. Old Dog New Blog.